What's up, y'all? Welcome to Hudson's Garage. We're about to be showing y'all. I'm about to show y'all how to take off the battery or replace it on a Honda Rancher 350. Mine's a 2003. So first, you take off the seat by lifting up the latch on the side, and then just pop it off. And then make sure that your key is off, and get a screwdriver, a Phillips. Mine takes a Phillips. Battery's in the back. Get a Phillips screwdriver. I pack a screwdriver in the back just in case. Get a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll see these two screws. But before you do that, before you unscrew them, remove this latch. It'll be like under there. Remove it, and then just take your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew them, both of them, and just slide out the battery. And to put the new one back in, slide the new one in, screw back in these screws, latch this on, you'll be good to go. This is kind of hard to latch this thing on, but and make sure do not lose the square pieces under this that the screws into. Make sure you do not lose that. Make sure that your key is off during the process, and it's pretty easy. So yeah, I hope that helped y'all out. Enjoy y'all's rest of the day. If you have any questions, comment down below. Have a nice day.